Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find friends on Facebook using phone number. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your profile. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see three lines icon that says menu. So just tap on that option. Now once you are here, you can see a gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. Now once you are here on this page, under Account Center, you can see more in Account Center. So just tap on that option. Now once you are here, under Account Settings, you can see the option of your information and permissions. So just tap on it. Now once you are here, you can see the option of Upload Contacts at the bottom. So just tap on that option. With that, you'll come across this page. So we're about to upload our contacts on Facebook. So tap on your name with Facebook icon on it. Now you can see the toggle for Upload Contacts is turned off. Simply turn it on. Now simply tap on Continue in order to proceed further. Now wait for a while until your contacts are being uploaded. Now you can see that my contacts have been uploaded on my Facebook. Now you can add your friends accordingly. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.